Hi guys, welcome to my channel tutorial 5. In this video I will show how to design this wrench. This is the front view and this is the side view. First I will design this bottom part, circle radius 65 and this corner circle radius 20, and distance between from first circle to this circle is 250. Open part design, go to sketch and select circle and draw two circles. And go to smart dimension. The circle radius is 65, so diameter 130, and the circle diameter is 40. Now this first circle center to this circle center is 250. Then select a line tool and draw a tangent line like this. And to stop a line loop, just double click the mouse. And go to line tool and select a center axis line and draw a axis line. And go to trim and cut this part. Then go to fillet and select sketch fillet and select these two lines and enter 50 in property menu. Then this part will become curve. Now go to sketch and select mirror tool and click on these two entities to mirror, and then click on the mirror about in property menu and select axis line, then line will mirror automatically. Then go to smart dimension and select this both the line and give angle 8. This base thickness is 20. So go to feature and select extrude and click on this design. Now enter 20 in property menu. So guys, we completed first step. Now let's see what to do next. Now I will design this part. This first diameter is 50 and this corner circle diameter is 25. So click on orientation icon and select normal plane and click on the design and select sketch tool. Then go to circle. Then draw a center axis line. Then go to sketch and select mirror tool. Now click on mirror entities and select this line and click mirror about from property menu and select center axis line. Then line will be mirror. This depth value is 10. So go to feature and select extrude cut and select this part. Then enter 10 in property menu. As you can see, I have completed this part. So now I will design this circle of 100 diameter. Then I will extrude 80. Press Ctrl plus 8, then click on this design and select sketch. Then go to circle tool and draw a circle from this midpoint. and give dimension 100. Now go to feature and select extrude and enter 75 in property menu. Then press enter. Now you can see I have completed this design. So guys, I have designed this wrench tool. I hope you guys understand this video. In next video I will design some interesting exercise.